Places of worship provide people across all denominations a sacred space to practice their faith. The last thing most people think about when attending a service is the threat of a violent attack. Through the years, though, numerous horrific acts of violence have been hurled upon unsuspecting congregations. It's vital to take a proactive approach to safeguard your place of worship from these senseless attacks.
Many places of worship have hired outside security personnel or designated a full-time security staff as a safety measure. Whether you've done this or not, it's paramount that every staff member be trained properly on how to make rapid survival decisions and take action when facing active violence. We also highly recommend training be offered to your entire congregation.
AVIRT provides life-saving strategies when confronted with active violence situations. We also give you the confidence in knowing how to respond to life-threatening bleeding so you can safely help people during these tragic events. We know how important it is to you to keep your congregation safe.
We offer monthly courses for people who'd like to become an HSI authorized AVIRT instructor, or we can provide live on-site training directly to your entire congregation. Get in touch now so we can help you save lives with AVIRT.